So guys, now we are going towards Sandakpur with this beautiful Land Rover. Can see So guys, right now we are here in Jaubari, and Jaubari is especially in Nepal, on the way to Sandakpur. From here Sandakpur is around 16 kilometer, and this way goes toward Tumling and Tonglu or Megma, whatever you say. All these places you can go this way, and there are some restaurant or some shops and some stay option here. One is Everest Homestay and Tenzing Homestay and restaurant Jaubari, Jamuna, Sandakpur 5 Ilam, and you can have a look. One interesting thing about Jaubari is there is a church, and I just want to take you there. If it's open, I'll take you inside also. But let's see. You can see the church over there. And whenever you are here in Sandakpur, during trek only, you can come here in this way. Otherwise, mostly all the vehicles take you through India side. And today we are changing vehicle, so we are here due to the change of the vehicle from Bolero to Landrover. And we got beautiful Landrover for further journey. And let me show you from above side. I don't know how it looks like. So this is Jaubari, guys. From here you see the watchtower, that is the viewpoint. If you are staying here in Jaubari, then visiting that watchtower is interesting and special, because that is the point where from where you can have a view of what to say, a view of Kanchenjunga, view of Everest range. And this is the church here in Jaubari. So simple church. And this is the good thing about Christianity. Things are not very much expensive. You don't need to make the lavish kind of thing to follow the religion, and which makes Christianity better compared to other religion, where we have lots of ritual things to follow, and we are making luxurious monasteries, temples and all. And this is the view of Ilam side, Ilam district and Jaubari. And let me take you toward our vehicle point, where we are changing our vehicle from Bolero to Land Rover, because today lots of tourists are here there in Manavanjang, and we miss Land Rover over there. And somehow we managed to get one Bolero, but now we are deciding to change the vehicle from Bolero to Land Rover. But it's an amazing thing, because people who are coming here for Sandakpur, they want to have a drive in Land Rover. That's a special kind of old vintage car, which you must try once, I say. And yeah, we are doing same thing with our guest. And this is Tenzing Homestay stall and restaurant, small restaurant here. Wow, classic look. It looks very nice. So here is a Tenzing Homestay and restaurant Jaubari. And one interesting thing about Jaubari, is that if you are coming here with a student group, it's a very good stay option. So this is Indira Lodge. Sunrise, Mount Everest, marvelous view, food and at the reasonable price, and hot water, electricity. So this is Indira Lodge, Jaubari. As I told you, Sandakpur is 16 kilometer. Ilam is like, distance is not mentioned. Okay, 36 kilometer. ओके गाड़ी में कुछ सामान नहीं छूटा ना, मुश्किल है फिर मिलेगा नहीं. पानी का बोतल 3 ले लिया, ले लिया ना. So this is our Landrover for Sandakpur, guys. Beautiful. So good thing about this Landrover is that seats are like front face seat, so you can be comfortable, and you can see so this way we are going towards Sandakpur. This way first go to Gairibas, then Kayakatta, then Kalapokuri, then Sandakpur. So let me show you the zigzag road you see down there going within the forest, that is going toward Kalapokuri. First Kayakatta and then Kalapokuri. So you see the fencing here, it's for preservation or conservation of what to say, red panda. In Nepali we called havre. So this is for red panda. And this is our Landrover, guys. Amazing Landrover.